So, due to COVID, your mans ain't really got a lot to do. So, one day I was making a beat, right? And I had this genius idea. Why don't I make a beat video like every single other producer I see on YouTube? Pretty original, right? So I go to record myself, right? Making an Eazy type beat, which is about the only beat I know how to make nowadays. And realized the sound was off the entire time. So, I'm like, cool, I quit. Then, it hit me again. Why don't I make how-to videos like everyone else I see on YouTube? So basically, that's what I'm gonna do today. Back when I started, there was a lot of tutorials and shit, but never really ones that had everything I needed.
Hey, this is metroboomin. I'm out here in Los Angeles, California in my studio. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I do with my 808s and my drums and my beats with my razor blade machine.
I'm gonna start doing like a series, and I'm gonna call it From Nothing to Something, and just give y'all the scoop. So it'll be everything that I learned or picked up from other videos, and just stuff that I had to learn on my own. So first, I'm gonna show y'all how to start uploading your beats, the simple and easiest way that I know how to do it, from a beat that you just exported to a beat that's up on Instagram and YouTube. First thing I like to do is to catch the vibe from the beat, so I don't always know what type of beat it's gonna be until after I sit down and listen to it. But if you know, you know. So in this case, of course, I made an Eazy type beat. And one of the places I like to look for images is on Pinterest. So, okay, and so I'm gonna type in like Eazy, see what it got. Okay, not a lot of it's pretty horrible. Nothing, all right. And so usually, like, if it's somebody that's not as poppin', they're not really gonna have pictures of them. So what I like to do when that happens is go to Instagram and look on their posts and just, like, you know, get something that's current or something, you know, that people are using, you know, the generic shit. So kind of like this one, you know, he's smoking, chilling like a villain. You know what I'm saying? I like that. So I'm gonna screenshot that. And by the way, these are the apps I use for all my graphics, or just anything that I do for like covers and shit. They really help, and a whole lot better than the other shit in the App Store. So I like to use PixArt to edit my photos and do little touches. I don't do a whole lot of editing just because I got like other shit to do with myself, but just like little stuff I like to change it and give it my little touch. So if you ever see my beat covers I picked, I got like all purple in it because purple is badass. So like I'm gonna do this little color change on it. It's not really noticeable, but I notice it, so I'm gonna do it. Okay. The only thing I do after that is just add a little noise on it to give it a little something. Y'all do whatever y'all want on it. It's your choice, but for me, I just keep it simple. Okay, save it. Then I'm gonna upload it to documents because I have an iPhone, and the easiest way to move files and like photos to your phone or computer and vice versa is with documents. So I highly recommend it. So I'm gonna go ahead and rename it so it's easy to find. I'm gonna just name it Eazy type pick and upload it to my iTunes. So on iTunes, you just click the device it's on, go to the file, sharing tab, and click documents. And all your is gonna be there. Then I'm gonna drag it onto my other photos. All right, and so now we're gonna make a video for it. If you got FL, you don't need a software for that. You can do it all on Z Game, Editor, Visualizer. It's all gonna be in your plugins or whatever. It comes with FL. If you have a different software, I would probably suggest DaVinci Resolve, which is a free video editing software. If you just want to do it on your phone, you can use apps for it. So it helps a lot if you just make a template with the settings. So you just gotta drag them bitches in and export. The quicker the better. So I have my template the way I have all my other beats I post. Very simple. Now I'm just gonna drag my beat in. Then I'm gonna click the add content, go to pictures, and then find where I put that photo. Okay, so it's simple to add an image. You just click on a layer, and you look for image. There it says image, I'm gonna select that file. So like I said, you can do a lot. You can make it shake, have objects move, put smoke in it, all that. I used to do that, but I realized it never really did much but waste my time. So if you want to, you go ahead. But I'm all done here, so I'm gonna export. Then I'm gonna save it to where I want it to go. This is the preset I leave it in. And these are the best export settings that I know. So go ahead and screenshot and copy it down if you'd like or whatever. Then here in this box, I have the credits. So you can copy and paste them into your description, give credit, then click OK. And these are the settings I use to export it. Once again, screenshot and copy it down. This is just for exporting videos. So now we're gonna copy and move that video so that we have it on our phone too. Easy as just drag it into the Documents tab on iTunes, or if you have an Android, to your Pictures folder. Once you do that, if you go into your Documents app, it should be there. Now just save it to your gallery. Alright, now you can get it ready to post on Instagram. So I do snippets, around 45 seconds to the beat, so I'm gonna trim it down to how I like it. You wanna get the best part of the beat, or at least a good section to like showcase it. So if anybody is interested in it, they can get a gist of it. So I know people aren't gonna stick around and hear the beat after the whole intro, so I'm gonna trim it to where it comes in halfway in the intro. Most of the time, people aren't gonna spend a lot of time on your post. That's if they even bother. But if they do, we wanna make sure you get straight to the point with them. Alright, so for my caption, I save a template for it too. Templates are your only friends. And it basically just shows the name of the beat, other info, links, and tags. Instagram only allows a certain amount, so I have basics, then just add whatever I can that fits the beat. Then you're ready. YouTube, same shit, just add way more tags and get descriptive, man. And yeah, that's all I got for you today. Let me know if it helps you, or if you want to know more. Comment down below if this is how you do it. If not, tell me how you do yours. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna have a link in the description to the Undeniable Misfortune website. It's basically like a startup label with all kinds of music and shit. I help out a lot there too. They even have a link button for us that leads to our page, which is still being worked on as we speak. But you can still check it out. And I also have a link in the description for that too. But just to give you an idea of what it looks like, we got beats on there and all that, a bunch of ways for you to contact us. And there you can enter your email to join our special subscribers list. And we'll be giving out all kinds of deals and free beats with that. So y'all go ahead and do that and show love. If you made it this far in the video, man, thank you for your time. Could have been doing anything else in the world, but you stuck around and watched my video, so thank you. Until next time, peace.
Just on some gay shit, don't fuck with no random, no game, but I slay like I have to. These bitches cancer, ungrateful, no manners. I just need loyalty, can't get distracted. I need that bad like I die if I don't. I on the go or the eye on the scope. Please don't get shut up, I do what I have to. Even if that means shit gotta get drastic. I could go massive, get manic. Fuck all that static, they left me abandoned, I had to go savage.